We're at 10612 South Tripp. Here's the attempted shingle repair. I'm going to attempt to remove this shingle. And to remove this shingle, I have to remove the two above it. We'll be using the roofing snake recommended by insurance. I will now proceed as gently as possible to remove these 3 shingles. See a lot of granular loss. Split here, damage the shingle. Tear here. Trying to go as slow and be as gentle as possible. Small one here. So for this first shingle, I have 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll now proceed on the second shingle. Damage the shingle here. Another tear here. Shingles are not looking too good. Going slow, as gentle as possible. See another tear. Now start with the third shingle. As gentle as possible. See, tear here. Big tear. Shingles are very brittle. So for just these 3 shingles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I have granular loss here, granular loss up here. This attempted shingle repair has failed.